can you also take back and recycle things that have been 3D printed and didn't turn out as you wanted?
Yes. That's a big point of it, actually, because all these companies, they also fight with, plastic waste, because they have a lot of prototypes, series productions that didn't go right, and they can just shred it and reuse it. You have to be honest and say with every recycling, you have like a 1 to 2% surge back on strength. So, we did the Sharpie test at the laboratory where you have like a hammer crashing against a plastic sample, and then you can measure, okay, how much force did the hammer need to crush the sample, and you can like make measurements. And we did notice that with every recycling, because of the heat and the stress the material is put under, that the material loses strength, but it's only minimal, about 1 to 2%. So it doesn't really matter for most applications.